This is the hazelnut. You see the color? Very beautiful, elegant. So there are Tucci Di Lusso belts. They matches all your outfit and brings out the best. Makes you look smart, confident, and look at that. And it fits perfectly. Tucci Di Lusso belts. It's elegant. It's perfect. So it fits perfectly, and it matches your. This is the blue. It also goes with my outfit. Just take a look at that. Fits perfectly. Makes you look smart, confident, and it brings out the best in you. Whether you're going for a meeting, or a date, or you're going to work, or something casual, Tucci Di Lusso belt is a game changer. Look at that. Tucci Di Lusso belt is a game changer. It brings out the ultimate best in you. The steps micro adjustment, and it fits for every person. And I'm gonna show you. This is the brown. The brown also matches the same outfit. See? Wow. This is the black. You can see comes in full length of 46 inches. I'm gonna wear it. Tucci Di Lusso belt matches all your outfit and brings out the best. Makes you look smart, look confident. This is the black belt. my suit. Tucci Di Lusso belts brings out the best in you, makes you look smart, and confident. See? The best belt in town, the best belt in the market. Tucci Di Lusso belt makes you look smart. This is the gray. Also goes with the same outfit. And the good thing about Tucci Di Lusso belt is that it comes with two buckles, the gold buckle and the silver buckle. So you can always change if you want to wear the gold buckle or you want to switch to the silver buckle. This is the gray. See, matches the same outfit. Nice. Elegant. Fit perfectly. Durable. Made with one of the best leathers. And can last a long time for the wearer. That's the good thing about Tucci Di Lusso belt. The craftsmanship is top notch. And it's hose free. That's the good thing. Tucci Di Lusso belt is hose free. So it doesn't require a pin hole like the old traditional belt. This is modern. And see how it is. Tucci Di Lusso belt. The best. This is the brown. The brown also matches the same outfit. And it comes in a full length of 46 inches, which can be cut to size. But no matter your waist, it's still going to fit because of the 34 micro steps adjustment. But you can still cut it to size. Tucci Di Lusso belt, the ultimate belt, the incredible belt, the best belt. It matches all your outfit, comes in over 8 different colors. You can have the black, the brown, the blue, the white, the burgundy, the gray. Has over 8 different colors to match all your outfit. Makes you look confident, look smart, and desirable. Tucci Di Lusso belt. With the best leather, high quality durable leather that can last for a very long time. This is the white Tucci Di Lusso belt.